Imagine you are sitting for an interview. An interviewer suddenly asks you a question you weren't expecting. And you know you probably would have answered somewhere in your head, but because of the pressure, your mind just got blank. Now imagine if an AI could actually listen to the interviewer's question, understand what they are asking, and give you relevant cues on your screen in the real time. That's what caught my attention about InterviewCue AI. And in this video, I'm going to test it through an actual interview preparation workflow. I'm going to take a resume, a targeted job role, prepare with AI, do a mock interview, see the feedback, and then test the real-time interview assistant. So what is exactly InterviewCue AI? Instead of using separate tools for resume preparation, mock interviews, and interview practice, InterviewCue AI is designed to connect these different parts of the interview journey. It can analyze your resume, help you prepare for a specific role, generate personalized mock interviews, give you feedback on your answers, and also provide real-time support during interview. So without wasting any time, let's check it out practically how it works.
So this is the official website. Once you click on this, you would be able to see the official page of the tool. And once you click on, let's say, start free, it will tell you to log in with all the credentials, right? So I'm just going to click on this. I'm already logged in. That's why it has not asked me, all the information about my mail ID and all those stuff. So this is the first page of this tool. You can see there are different sections like resume workspace, AI mock interview, live interview Copilot, and interview question bank, right? So we are going to see all these sections now one by one in detail. So if you see at the top, right, you need to do few additional steps login into this account. You need to upload your resume. I have already uploaded my resume and it has completed the optimization as well, but don't worry, we will be doing it again. We will be doing the complete analysis of our resume based on the job description and all those stuff, right? So without wasting any time, let's move ahead. The first section is resume workspace. If I click on this, it will ask me to upload the resume. Now once you upload your resume, you can see the first functionality of this tool, that is AI powered resume analysis. What this actually does is, you might have seen that in market there are different job position, and what we do is, depending upon the role, we will try to update our resume, right? We will be checking if the technical keywords are present in our resume or not. So we are doing this manually, but using this tool, it is able to solve our problem, right? Here we can create different profiles. Different profile means you can have the different resume based on the different job description, right? So what we are going to do here is, we will be doing now our analysis of the resume. So let's click on this, right? It's asking me to enter let's say we are looking for a company called Google, right? We are looking for DevOps role. Okay, and here I'm going to paste now the job description of that position. Now we want to identify whether our resume is up to date or not, we have all the keywords or not for that specific job opening, right? So I've added here now the job description as well, and now you can add the company overview as well, like what kind of work company does. Okay, but it's optional. What I'm going to do is, now this is going to create interview profile for me, so which means that you will be using this resume only for this specific opening, right? So now see, as soon as I created one profile over here, in backend it has started doing the analysis based on the job description we have added. Now it's going to compare our resume with the job description, and it's going to give us the detailed report about whether we are eligible or not for this role, whether we need to have some kind of improvements or not, right? So let's see that. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, so now the analysis of our resume is completed. Let's check out the detailed report. Let's click on this. You can see it has created the detailed analysis summary as well. It has given us the complete match score. It has given us the rating out of 10, like depending upon my professional work, relevant work experience, and all those stuff, right? And then it has also given me some kind of suggestions, like let's say DevOps or cloud experience is good, but I think I need to add some stuff related to generative AI or AI workflows. I need to add it here in my resume, and at the same time I need to study that stuff as well. So this gives you complete summary of your resume based on the job description. So this is very good feature, and it's very easy to understand as well, right? And if you see on the left hand side, you can click on 11 dimension score, right? See, it's going to give you complete score, okay, based on the different parameters. It's going to tell you what changes you will have to do, what is your strength, where you can work, what are the improvement directions, right? If there are any core questions where I should focus, okay, the improvement directions where I can improve myself, the role match, whether it's matching correctly with the job description or not, right? It's giving me all the details, guys. See, this is so easy now if you use this tool. And then you also have the interview preparation stuff, like on which domain I can focus on, the questions to ask the interviewer once the interview is done. How could be the behavioral examples, right? The core messages to communicate during the interview process. So it's giving us the questions as well. What are the expected questions, right? How you can answer them, right? So every detail you will be getting based upon the job description you will add over here. So this is the first feature. Now let's move towards the next feature of this tool. Now the second feature is AI mock interview. Once you have your resume ready, right? Now you are shortlisted for your interview. It's very important that you prepare yourself for the interview, right? So InterviewCue AI has the platform where you can also test yourself. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So here on the left hand side, I need to fill some data like interview profile. In the very first step, we uploaded our resume, right? So that's the interview profile, right? So this is what I have selected over here, right? And now here I'm just going to start the mock interview. So let's click on this. Now let's see. Okay, so see guys, now here there is kind of AI agent, he's going to ask us the interview questions. It's asking us about what kind of introduction you can give. I'm just going to click on this microphone here. Okay, now I'm just going to respond like saying like, hi, my name is Manish and I have 7 years of experience working as a DevOps engineer, and I'm looking for opportunity in DevOps or SRE engineering role. See guys, it's able to pick my response properly. Oh, it has picked that as well. I need to just stop it. I'm going to just stop this one. Now it's going to do the detail analysis of my response, right? Now it's going to give me detailed information like the candidate brief states 7 years of experience, where I can improve, right? All this stuff.
Why you are interested in Google DevOps role.
Right, now it's asking me next question about my DevOps background. So let's see. So I have been working in DevOps from last 7 years. Got opportunity to work on different cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, Microsoft Azure, and have been working on challenging stuff related to the automation, cost optimization, and security. And Google has been one of my dream company, so I want to explore this opportunity over here. Right now I have answered the question. Let's see the analysis. This is very good to prepare yourself, right? There is no need to now pay somewhere else.
Can you walk me through one production DevOps project where you improved deployment reliability or reduced operational risk, and what specific tools you used?
Now it has asked me next question. I'm just going to end this interview by simply clicking on this stuff. But before that, you can see my response. It's giving me the complete improvement area, right? Now there is no need to pay some amount to someone else and tell them to take a mock interview. This tool is going to give you this opportunity as well. So I'm just going to end the interview now. As soon as I ended my interview, it has given me the overall summary, like what I did, the issue, then the improvement area where I should improve myself, right? For all the interview questions that were asked right now. Okay, so there is the immediate response here. You get the immediate feedback. No need to wait for anybody, right? There is no dependency. So this is pretty cool feature, guys. So let's move towards the next feature. So before moving towards live interview Copilot, I will show you first the interview question bank, right? So let's click on this. So see, now this tool is not going to only help you in preparing yourself by updating resume or giving mock interview, right? It's going to help you with the different questions as well, interview questions. Here you can practice different coding related questions too. And let's say I click on this first question here. Okay, so see guys, here you have the detailed question. You get the screen over here to type the code as well. You can type your code over here, right? And then you can give the result as well. Now let's say I have typed your random stuff. Let's click on run. It should get filled, right? We are just testing whether it's giving the genuine response or not. So there it is, it has given us the response like this is incorrect. Okay, so it's picking up properly, the solution which we are writing here. So I'm not going to write the complete stuff over here. You can see on the left hand side you have the solution as well. It's not like only, this tool is not only giving you the interview questions but the solution as well. Let's say I'm just going to copy this, right? And I'm just going to paste it here just to test whether it's able to pick the response properly or not. So I'm just going to click on run. That's it. It has accepted the solution. Now the most important feature of InterviewCue AI is, it provides you the live interview Copilot support, which will help you to get the concise talking points, and it will provide you the experience reminders in real time, right? So now this is really going to help you using, during your interview preparation as well. Okay, so let's check it out. I'll just click on this. Now before starting this guys, what I have done is I have scheduled one demo interview where I will be the guy who is going to give interview, and the interviewer is going to ask me some questions here. So he has also joined here, right? So now let's start this interview. Okay, so I have started now the interview, and see when interviewer asked me like what is Kubernetes, I got the answer immediately, so I can use this concise real-time points in my interview. Then interviewer asked me what is EC2, right? So it was able to give me the immediate response. Then the difference between container and virtual machine, again I got the immediate response, and I was able to use it during my interview. So this is a very important feature of this tool guys. Now I just asked the question in different domain. I tried to ask about the data types in Python, and it was able to give me the response pretty quickly. This shows that the agent is trained in other domain as well. I was asked about what is data engineering, another different domain, and I got very positive response, and the accurate response from this InterviewCue AI agent. This shows that the tool is not one dimensional. It is being trained, very well trained in the different directions, okay, the different domains, right? Then I tried to ask about what is the use of Terraform, okay, and I got the response there as well pretty quickly. And not only this, it's I tried this agent offline as well, right? And I was able to use it for the non-tech scenarios too.
InterviewCue AI is free to try. New users currently receive 10 resume optimization opportunities and ultimate AI mock interviews. You can try it through the link in the description and pin comment. And if you decide to upgrade, use code 1is20 to get 20% off. So if you are currently preparing for an interview, I would definitely recommend giving this a try and seeing how it fits into your own preparation process. And if you are preparing for an interview right now, let me know your target role in the comment section. Maybe I will cover that role in one of my upcoming videos. Good luck with your preparation, and I will see you again in the next one. Thank you.